In this video, we will show you how to check the loading speed of any page on your WordPress website, quickly and easily. Let's start with the installation and activation of the plugin. We type a query monitor in the input search field. The plugin that we will install has over 200,000 installations and a maximum rating based on over 400 reviews. Now, everything is finished. You don't need to do any additional activities, you just need to open the page for which you want to check the loading speed. As you can see, the size of this page is 95.6 megabytes, and the loading speed is 3.71 seconds. Similar results are for the product page, and you can check for any page on your WordPress website. These results are very bad, and one of the reasons is that this website is not hosted, but on localhost. Check your performance and try to load your pages below 1 second. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.